Are you tired of watching other teens make money online while you're still stuck trying to figure things out? What if I told you that with just your phone, a Wi-Fi connection, and a few hours a day, you can actually start building your own income, even as a teen? Today, I'm sharing 7 beginner-friendly side hustles that everyone can start in 2026 with no experience and no money. And some of these could actually turn into full-time incomes. Hey, I'm Wendy, and if you're a teen who wants to work on yourself, learn new skills, and become rich as a teen, this channel is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 7 simple side hustles that anyone can start in 2026, and all you need is a phone, a Wi-Fi connection, and some consistency. By the end, you'll know how to start each one, even if you've never made $1 online before. First, TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is the fastest way people are making thousands of dollars nowadays. It works just like Amazon. You list your products on TikTok, promote them through your videos, and people can buy without ever leaving the app. But the cool thing is, you don't actually need to have your own physical products. You can actually use dropshipping too, which I'll explain later in this video. Just note that TikTok takes a small 6% commission, but if you stay consistent and post creative videos, your product could go easily viral and get you hundreds of dollars a week. Second, TikTok affiliate. Now, if you want an alternative for the TikTok shop, another great option is TikTok affiliate. This lets you promote others' product and get a commission from it whenever someone buys through your link. You don't need any inventory and you can start with $0. The only catch is you'll need at least 5,000 followers before you can sign up. But don't worry, with the new algorithm of TikTok pushing out small creators, you can reach that number pretty fast. You can start with just 1 hour a day, then increase the time if you want to make more money and get faster results. Next is digital products. Digital products are one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income online. You can also start this with $0. Digital product is all about creating something and selling them online on websites like Etsy or Amazon. You can create anything including ebooks, planners, or templates. Digital products are the best way to generate passive income online because you only need to create something once and you can continue selling it for unlimited amounts of time. Imagine if you list an item for $10 and get 10 sales per day. That's $3,000 per month and $36,000 per year from one product. And if you continue making digital products and listing them online, you could be making huge amounts of money. It's super easy to start this. You can just jump onto Canva and select a template. Then create the design for your product. This usually takes just a few hours. And once you're done, you can upload these onto websites like Etsy or Amazon. Side hustle number 4, dropshipping. I'm sure you've heard of dropshipping before, but if you haven't, don't worry, I got you. Dropshipping is when you take other people's product and list them on your store for a higher price, then link the two items. So whenever someone buys from your store, it will automatically send the order to the supplier. And once the product's ready, the supplier will ship the items directly to your customer. That means you don't have to handle inventory or packaging yourself. You can start this with little to no money, and I think it's quite easy to start too. Nowadays, you don't even need to create your own store yourself. With tools like Shopify's AI Store Builder, it's even easier to get started. People are making thousands of dollars using this exact model, and you can too. Side hustle number 5, YouTube automation. Nowadays, there are tons of creators on YouTube making money without ever showing their face. These channels are called YouTube automation channels. These channels can generate income from around $1,000 to $10,000 per month. YouTube automation is completely free and you only need a couple of hours each day to start. Channels like traveling channels, AI channels, and education channels are doing this right now. You use stock footage, edit it into a video, and add an AI voiceover or your own voice if you want. Although it takes a bit of time to get monetized, but with the right amount of consistency, you can get monetized in just a few months. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and once you hit those requirements, you can apply for monetization and start earning. So what you do is go onto a stock footage website and select a few dozen clips relating to your topic. Then go into an editing app and select all the clips you want to add. Then add a voiceover. It's that simple. Side Hustle 6. Content creation. Content creation is very similar to YouTube automation, but instead of stock footage, you create your own original content. You still need to hit the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, but the difference is that this can be done on all the platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Just as I mentioned earlier in this video, there are plenty of ways you can monetize on TikTok. So instead of having only one stream of income, you can earn from all the platforms by creating the same amount of content. Content creators usually show their faces, but there are also plenty of faceless content creators out there. If you can make engaging, consistent videos, you can grow quickly and even go viral in weeks. It doesn't have to take a lot of time. Just start with 1 hour a day and start building from there as you learn what works. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This is a broader version of TikTok affiliate. There's so many branches of affiliate marketing and you can apply to anything you want. You can promote items from sites like Amazon, Fiverr, ClickBank, and Shopify. Then earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. But if you apply for these, you do have to create your own website or a landing page and link it to their website. Think of where you can advertise your products and get people to click on them. Advertisements can be in the form of posts, videos, or even writing an article. This is relatively easy to start, but there are a lot of requirements, so make sure you read the rules carefully. And before you join any program, make sure to check the commission rate, the cookie duration, and whether it fits your niche or not. I have a video explaining about my experience with affiliate marketing, so if you're interested, make sure to check it out. And that's it! 7 beginner-friendly side hustles that you can start right now from the comfort of your home, using your phone or your laptop. Remember to actually learn about what you choose before starting and stay consistent. I have a Discord community for teens like us, so if you want to be surrounded by more people like you, feel free to join. I'll leave the link down below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.